Yeah, yeah. So I think I can just where are the functions? These are all fields, right? These are all fields. Oh, maybe I can do this. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, so I can allocate a frame. I think that makes sense. So let's say AV frame scale. We'll do that first. So if scale equals AV frame alloc equals null, 1x couldn't that's actually, we might error that one. Couldn't allocate a new frame. Couldn't allocate frame for scaling. %s, and then no. All right, so we'll do that. Now we have to make sure we free it. Actually, do we? If we hand it off to someone else, right, we still need to unref it. Cringe. Okay, so this is AV frame free, I think. Free. And what we're going to do is this. So if res equals, yeah. And then we want the destination, which is the scale, and the frame, which is, I guess, VO frame. What we're going to do is 1x and say couldn't scale frame. For some reason. And then AV frame free. Do I need to do that? Yes. And then here we go AV frame unref. Maybe like that. I think we can just free it. Because we're not, it doesn't retain, actually even if it did retain a frame, I think it would be on its, it would be its responsibility to make a copy. And freeing the frame just unreferences the data, so if this function maintained a reference to the data, it would be fine because it would be reference counted. It's just the frame that goes. Okay. Right. So I think I kind of want to do this in reverse. And I think I want to do it based on this. Oh no, you can only use this for frame start. No, 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 I think I want this. Scale the image and source slice. No, this is just for scaling, what? So what do these people do? No, scale does convert to the destination format. Interesting. Source stride, the array containing the strides for each plane of the source image. I think the source image is one plane, right? Dest stride for each plane of the destination image. Is that really not in the context? Maybe not. Okay, well, I think we don't want to do this. I think what we want to do is VB buff source strides, source slice Y. What do you mean by Y? The number counted starting from 0. How do you know how many planes there are? Oh, because it's in the pixel format. Very smart. I think this should be width. Right? And then this should be 0, 0. And then the dest. The pointers to the planes of the source. Ooh. I think it should be this then. How does this work? Source data. What is source and dest data? Oh, they are, yeah, okay, interesting. And then I guess this is like VO frame data. And then this is like VO frame line size. Something like that. And then whatever, we'll put that there. Something like that. And we don't need this, I think. All right, let's go to the video dialect or dialect. Yeah. Video output dialect. Sounds good. So we're gonna do all that. We need to free this SWS free context, and then it's a VOSW context. And here we need to set one up. Yeah, so here we get the format. Here we do codecs. Bunch of stuff I maybe don't need to do. We'll keep the frame. The format is the stream format, which comes from VO format streams, VO stream codec parameters, right? So we add a stream somewhere. Yeah, we add a stream to the format. Where does that stream come from? Where does this come from? Is it up here? Yeah, it is up here. Okay, and then we copy all the codec parameters in, which includes the pixel format. All right, good. So after the frame, what I'm gonna do is go if VO software context equals software get context. I don't know. The width of the source image. Maybe I should be grabbing these from the codec. I don't know. And then pixel format. No. The pixel format doesn't come from the codec because the source is AV pixel format BRG0. And then it's the destination which has VO codec format. Is it format? No, pix format. And then this is null, this is null, and this is null. And if that equals null, then we error X1 couldn't allocate SWS context. Couldn't allocate software scale context. Oh well, whatever, that's fine. Is that everything I need? So I've done get. Right, so I've done initialize, I've done delete, and I think I've done the middle bits. Hang on, where is this? This is in send video frame. Passing unsigned char pointer const to type const discards qualifiers. What? Unsigned char pointer const pointer. Unsigned char pointer const pointer. The only thing is the outside. Right, but the outside determines